Hey there guys, do you happen to have one of these Apollo motorcycles or similar dirt bikes? And no matter what you do, you can't seem to get it to quit leaking out the carburetor? Well, this is your lucky day, because I cannot get these to quit leaking out the overflow here. They do have a screw for draining it. That's not the problem. I'll show you the problem in a second here, but these Apollos, they come with these like tamper-proof screws in here. You're gonna have to slot them with a hacksaw or a die grinder to get them off. Then you can go to your local hardware store and get some Torx like I got here, or the other bike for some reason I have hex heads. I did them both at the same time, but I had some screws laying around, and so I got some of each. Well, I'm gonna pull this apart and show you what the problem is. And there's a couple ways of fixing it. There's the right way, and then there's the not so right way. I read some forums about these bikes and similar bikes online where guys are just replacing this whole carburetor with, I think it's a Mikuni, which this is basically a rip-off of anyways, if that's the right carburetor I'm thinking of. It's been a while since I actually looked it up. But then you got all the full adjustments, and it runs all together better, I guess. So the problem, I thought what was wrong, I thought it was the float. It wasn't set right. No matter how much I messed around with it, I still had trouble. It would overflow eventually out that tube. Well, that's not the problem at all. The problem is, which I might not be able to show you, this is a rolled tube. It's not a solid tube. It's got a seam on it, which splits wide open. Now, this one was leaking. I just had it leaking. So I just fixed my other bike. I didn't really do it the right way because I don't have the right stuff here, but I'm gonna go put some soap in here, blow some air on it, and show you what's going on. So the fuel, or the soap level, is lower than slightly lower than what the gas level would be in there. And if I just blow some air, it comes right out the top, but without even holding my finger over it, you can see it's also coming from down below here somewhere. If I hold my finger, it all goes out there. Well, so what's going on, like I said before, that tube is a rolled tube. It's got a seam in it, seam let loose. And this isn't a very old bike, like 2 years old or something. I bought it with these problems. And, well, I don't have the right material to go and fix it the right way by going and like brazing, soldering the tube back shut. So I'll show you what I did on the other one. Let me get this cleaned up. So as what I did on the other one is I just took a pliers and snapped that off and soldered the hole shut. Yeah, it ain't really right, but it's my only option right now. So there, I got it broke clean off. I don't know if I'll be able to show you on the tube. Oops. But it's split wide open. This one you couldn't really see when it was all together where it was supposed to be, but the other carburetor, you could see the split almost all the way up to the top. I tried soldering it, but I couldn't get to hold. But I was successful about putting a little ball of solder down in the bottom there. Well, if I would have had the right solder, I'm guessing it would have probably worked. But I'll show you what I did here. There, I got it just in the hole, and then I'll knock that extra piece off. So now I got it soldered, the piece broke out. See if we got any bubbles now. That was just water in there. So I'll go throw this back together and show you that it doesn't leak. Got this carburetor all back together, and we'll turn the fuel on. Filled up the filter. It's not dripping anymore. Well, that started nice. This wasn't warmed up. I wouldn't be able to touch the exhaust if it was warm. Well guys, thanks for watching my quick little video about these cheap Chinese bikes. If you want to fix it the right way, I'd say get a different carburetor, something with some quality, or better yet, get a quality motorcycle like a Honda or something, Yamaha. Well, like, share, and subscribe. God bless, and take care.